We are launching two programs here. One is a paid program and one is a free program for the interview. So in case you want to join us for the free program, description box में Telegram link है. You can join that. Otherwise, you can call us on the numbers here, and we are launching our paid program as well for the PI. So you can join that program. Yeah. So Telegram look for free groups, and WhatsApp will have a dedicated group for all the paid students. We will be conducting their live interviews, PIs, their VAT. We'll check everybody's essay will be checked. So all these things we're going to take care of. In this video, we'll try to know how to crack the interview. So I'm wearing a formal shirt. Impression is very important. So I believe in G strategy. See, normally people will tell you कि don't need to prepare for the interview. जैसे है वैसे जाओ. They will find out whether you are fake or not. But we have to prepare for the interview. Yeah, because you are all gem. We're all gems. But uncut gem. You have to be polished, cut and polished. So I believe in this 8 sessions approach. So there are 7 sessions here. 8 sessions in front of you. These 8 sessions combined is more than sufficient for your preparation. You can cover them in 8 days. You can cover them one session in 2 days in 8 weeks. 16 days is totally your wish. I'll go through these 8 pointers one by one. You can join a program. So we're launching our free program for VAT PI. In the description box, I give the link for Telegram group. See, we are moving to Telegram because we can handle more people. Plus, spam remove करना easy यार. Every day, other coaching classes वाले they spam my groups. अब क्या करें यार, उनको कोई रोक सकता नहीं. गाली गलौज करके देख लिया, कोई कुछ एडवांटेज नहीं है उसका. So easy way out is Telegram, where you can easily remove people, and we can remove all the posts आराम से. So Telegram is the link. Please download the Telegram group का link, Telegram app and the group का link in the description box, so that we can all come together and start the GDPI. Those who are expecting the IM calls, they are of course going to part of that. Otherwise, Snap and Met, all of them I wanted to come together. Those who are not getting a call yet, have got a call yet, but are going to give the exam, CMAT, tests, other exams, I want to still join so that you get motivated. जलेगी बेटा, मैं सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ, जैसे IM का calls आएगा ना, जलेगी. So rather than feeling negative, I want you to take it as a positivity कि यार मुझे भी call लेके आनी है. So that's very very important. So you can join the group. It's totally free. So I'll talk about how we're going to play in that group. So number one is the introduction. It can take, trust me, up to 1 week to fine tune an introduction. Introduction does not include what you say in the starting, how you dress up. The way you enter the room, 50% damage is done the way you enter the room. Dressing, everything there. For example, this shirt is a very very bad example of shirt. It's a casual shirt. I was looking for a shirt, I couldn't find a better shirt than this. So I have no formal shirt. I just surprised to know I have no formal shirt. I have casual. So this is all logo वाले shirts allowed नहीं है. तो राफ लॉरेन है वो अलग बात है, लेकिन it's not allowed. It's not a formal shirt. I am wearing this tie after ages. Last मैंने मेरे cousin की शादी पे tie डाला था, उसके बाद मैंने tie डाला भी नहीं. Number 2 is tech related and work related questions. Documentation complete होना चाहिए, your question answer होने चाहिए. All these things we are going to talk about that. Hobbies, strength and weakness is session number 3. VAT writing, VAT PI is session number 4. That includes your writing practice. That includes your current affair. Everything will be taken care of. So this is this strategy. You can't learn everything yet. At least do this much. Com skills. So introduction we will talk, interviews as well. Telephonic interviews, Zoom interviews, we'll conduct all those things. Number 5 is group activities and case studies. IIM Ahmedabad, even though it's a VAT, but sometimes we'll give you a case study. So how to approach a case study, we will go through that. Narsimonji is a case study, KJ Sumaya is a case study, Symbiosis is a group activity. So all these things will cover up. Hairstyling, everything will take up. Because this, I am a wrong example of everything देखा जाए तो. Yeah, बालों का style is wrong. Dadi is not trimmed. Dadi is not in a good shape. Beard is okay. You can have a beard. Tie is okay. Tie चल जाएगी. Tie की problem नहीं है. Tie की कितनी length होनी चाहिए. So all these things we are going to talk about. Tuck in कितना होना चाहिए. We'll talk about all these things as we go along for boys and for girls as well. Yeah. Number 6 is goals and YMB. Both of them are आपस में related. Your YMB का answer is incomplete without your goals. So that is pointer number 6. Pointer number 7, college related stuff. I want you, whichever college you are going to go for, I want you to rectify the events which are conducted in the colleges. I want you to know the faculty of the college, top faculty from the college. All this data I will give you that. Yeah. Why? Because when you're going for the interview, normally they ask you why this college. Sir, मेरा dream college था. See, you can't say this to a girl. Suppose you are going on shadi.com पे अपने account खुलवाया. shadi.com पे लड़के से मिलने गए. उन्हें बोला हमारी बेटी आपको पसंद क्यों आई? मेरा बचपन से सपना था. I had a dream girl. She is my dream girl. वो कितना फेक आंसर लगता है यार. So we'll do some research on the college का batch profile, college के faculty, colleges का everything we'll note. So we are going to have a dedicated WhatsApp group for every exam, every interview. I am A का अलग, B का अलग. This is I'm doing every year. I do that. FMS का अलग, SP Jain का अलग, Narsi Monji का अलग. For every college we'll have a separate group. Yeah, college, but that group will create once the calls are out. So please do subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. And last is a practice PI. Fine. So these 8 things together is more than sufficient for clearing any call. That's what I call G strategy. Yeah, G strategy is basically यार शॉर्टकट. शॉर्टकट नहीं, इट्स बेसिकली कंडेंस फॉर्मेट. आई एम इंजीनियर, मुझे पूरी दुनिया का ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सबसे पतली बुक दे दो, मैं वो सॉल्व कर लूँगा, मेरा काम खत्म हो गया. दिस एक्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम रिकमेंडिंग यू. सो तुम्हारे लिए मैंने अभी टाइट डाला आज. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द इंटरव्यू प्रोग्राम. सो फर्स्ट फेज, वी आर राइट ऑन द फर्स्ट फेज, इंट्रोडक्शन. इसको 1 हफ्ता लगेगा, ट्रस्ट मी, टू फाइन ट्यून इंट्रोडक्शन. वी आर गोइंग टू चेक एवरीबडीज इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन. एंड बाजू ऐसी अलाउड नहीं है. दिस इज आई नॉर्मली रोल अप माई शर्ट, बट इट्स नॉट अलाउड. You have to be like this. So all these things you have to take care of. Mock interviews, everything will take care of. Wall कैसा होना चाहिए, how you have to dress up, all these things will take care of in this thing. So Telegram group, please join this thing, and we'll start with the introduction session. Tonight we are having the first session for introduction. Alright, all the best.